From Bolan Valley, now we travel to north and northwestern India. I would first like to concentrate on Kashmir. Here, basically, we are finding 3 sites which were excavated. First, I would like to concentrate on Kanishkapur, which is the latest excavation of a Neolithic site. Now, here we find again both the ceramic and the aceramic periods, but the aceramic occupation deposit is very, very thin. The ceramic Neolithic deposit is about 1.6 to 2 meter. 4 floor levels have been found from the ceramic Neolithic period, and from which we can make out that there were houses of mud brick which had existed, and these mud brick houses also had a lot of the material culture deposits. Now, the pottery is basically that typical of the early Neolithic pottery, dull red and grey ware. And apart from these, we are finding some food processing implements as well. So, we do find some pounders, some stone polishers, then we do find some microliths and bone points. Interestingly, a lot of work has been just one season of excavation, but a lot of work has been done on the paleobotany. In fact, Mani is recording that there were 13 species of fruit, seeds and plants which were found from these region. Now, what were the crops which were cultivated? Of course, we are not finding rice, but bread wheat, emmer wheat, barley are the main types which have been found, and then we are finding evidence of hunting animals, some domestication of sheep and goat, and so we are getting a very interesting picture of a Neolithic life, which again was quite different from what we are finding in Mehergarh. Besides Kanishkapur, the 2 other sites are Burzahum and Gufkral. Burzahum, the dates that we have, calibrated dates, 2783 to 1689 BC. Burzahum is famous for its pit dwellings. Maybe because of extreme cold, these people lived in the subterranean level. In Gufkral as well as Burzahum, we are finding 2 levels of Neolithic development. And another interesting thing about Burzahum is the burials. In fact, we are finding animal burials as well with human burials. Now, the north central India is comprising the districts, where these sites have been found, is comprising the districts of Rewa, Satna, Sydney in Madhya Pradesh, and Banda, Chitrakoot, Allahabad, Mirzapur, Sonbhadra, Chandauli districts of Uttar Pradesh. Now, what are the different types of wares that we are finding in these sites? We are finding handmade pottery and also some wheel-made types, rusticated ware, burnished red ware, grey ware. Then we are finding a lot of these food processing implements like querns, mullers, hammerstones, then pounders, microliths, and definitely remains of domesticated plants and animals which are coming out from archaeozoological and paleobotanical studies. Apart from these, some interesting artifacts which have come from the sites are these tanked bone arrowheads, then shell pendants, earthen discs with central perforations, and a few crops which have been cultivated in these areas are rice and wheat, barley, millets, sesame.